Hey there! So, let's talk about a tricky problem that can pop up while working on a C++ program. The issue arises when you try to compile your code using Visual Studio and encounter an unexpected error, despite the program working just fine with GCC or Clang. Frustrating, right? Moving on to the solution, the error from MSVC occurs because of the way it handles incomplete types. Basically, when MSVC encounters an incomplete type like the forward declared class A in your code, it struggles to verify that it satisfies the required concepts. One way to get around this is by ensuring that class A's definition appears before it's used in mycontainer AC. Simple rearrangements in your code can save the day. In summary, to avoid the compilation error in Visual Studio, make sure to define the classes in the correct order or utilize a template parameter with default values. These tweaks ensure that all compilers, including MSVC, can successfully validate the concepts in your code. And with that, we've uncovered the solution to this pesky problem. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.